is going on. This is going to be an unboxing and review of the new, well, I wouldn't call it new, but the Nerf modulus. Right here. It's so massive I can barely even fit it in frame. So yeah, I bought this off of Amazon for like 30 something bucks. Wait, a little under 30 bucks. But yeah, it's a bit different than you think. You can. I just bought the gun, nothing else. I also got like the Nerf modulus a barrel extension. Oh crap! Bubble wrap. Oh, it came in the same box. So here's the barrel attachment, and right here is the gun. Sorry if you guys are hearing any background noise. We're remodeling our backyard, so yeah. They're currently like cutting cement. So yeah, wait, not cement, bricks. They are currently cutting bricks. So yeah, here it is. But using this, here are the instructions. Pretty basic. Right. And here is the gun. So yeah, let's rip it out, I guess. Sorry again about the background noise. So, there's one more thing back here. There's one more thing right back here. And if I do this, here's the gun. It did not come with the clip, nor did it come with anything else, but I think that looks super tactical. There's tactical rails everywhere, like one there, one on the other side, a barrel extension, another tactical rail, another tactical rail, another tactical rail on the bottom, and also a stock attachment point. So, here, there's a battery tray. The battery tray is right here. So give me a second as I unscrew that. So, yeah, again, sorry if you guys are hearing any background noise. I'm trying to talk over it, but no, it's really annoying. So we need 4 double A's. So give me a second as I put those in there. Here's one, and then the other. There. And then the final 2. Again, sorry if you guys are hearing any background noise. Now for the last one. Here we go. That's strange. Maybe I'll... Well, I have to screw this whole mechanic back in. Oh, forgot, BRB. You can rev this gun without a clip, a mag, whatever you like to call it, or a clip-zine. So, this right here is a little weird, unlike other guns like the Strife where it goes in like all the way, this one goes in like half the way, half. The trigger is very nice, and also because the battery tray is right here, it's also balanced out. So yeah. Give me a second to get my dart container, which has all my darts. And as I load this thing up, I'm gonna put it stuck right here for the moment. And as I load this up, so overall, I'd say that the gun is good, but I haven't done a firing test. So I am even saying that. I'm using a very old 18 dart clip. I have no idea why I didn't do this before the unboxing and review. But yeah. And I know that this is boring. So one more dart. Okay, that's loaded. Now to grab my gun again. Now to do a firing test. So let me get all of this out of the way. Okay. So this gun is semi-auto, which means as fast as you can pull the trigger, is how fast it can fire. So I think that that's pretty cool. The jam door is pretty weird. I mean, it's a sliding one, so when you pull it back with one of these two tabs, it goes back. But pushing forward and going back, it's really hard for some bizarre reason. I have no idea why. This tactical rail is also good as a handle, just in case you want to handle it. The skeleton grip is weird. Nothing that I've ever had before. Yeah, I think that's all. Did I miss anything? Did they already say? There are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 tactical rails on this, so hashtag awesome sauce. No, hashtag tactical. There's also a barrel attachment and also a stock attachment. So yeah, that's just on the modulus. Now to do the unboxing of this. It should be shorter, but you know, yeah. So, wow, my computer cut the wrong side, so fail on my part. Here we go. Wow. That's the box. And guess that these just pull out. Wow. Here are the instructions. They're already bent. Wow, they are really dense. But yeah. Here it is. This is longer than I thought that it would be. The barrel is a small well, the barrel is small, so you're going to be losing a lot of power when your darts go through it. So it would be like this, and then it's going to bounce around. But yeah. It fits onto any barrel attachment. That was really odd thing. Wow, this barely, usually on barrel attachment, there's a nice click, but it's like not even there. So yeah, overall this gun is a pretty nice gun, and the barrel attachment is really cool, and it's also it's tactical and practical, so hashtag awesome. This gun is a really nice gun. I'll give it 4.5 stars out of 5. And I'll see ya! Alright, please like, subscribe, and now I'll see ya!